Hi kids, welcome to Enhance Your Learning, Environmental Studies for Grade 2, Unit 3, Plants and Animals. Lesson 8, Plants are Useful. Kids, can you tell me, plants are living organisms or non-living organisms? Yes, plants are living organisms. You can see plants almost everywhere. That can be grass, bushes, shrubs, or a big tree, right? Yes. What do plants need to grow? Plants need sunlight, water, air, and time. Why time is needed for the plant to grow? If you sow the seeds today, whether the seed will germinate tomorrow? No, you have to give enough time for the seed to grow. Okay? So that is why I told plants need time to grow. Okay? So what are the things necessary for the plants to grow? Plants need sunlight, water, air, time, and space. What is this space? Yes, you have to sow the seed in a proper place. Then only it will grow. So the place must have a proper sunlight, water, and air. Okay, kids? Next, what are the facts about plants? What do you know about plants? There are more than 80,000 species of plants in this world. But 90% of the food the human consumes is only from 30 plants. Okay? Plants make their own food. Plants makes their own food. And more than 70,000 species of plants are used for the medicines. What are the parts of the plants? Definitely you know about leaves, right? Yes. So there are many parts for the plants. First one is root, then stem, then leaves, then flowers, then fruits, then seeds. Okay, so these are all the different parts of the plants. What are the different parts of the plants? Root, stem, leaves, flowers, fruit, and seeds. Okay, kids? Which is the most important part of the plant? Leaves are called most important part of the plant. Why? Yes, because leaves has chlorophyll. Okay, chlorophyll means the leaves are green in color, right? So, the green color pigment present in the leaves are called chlorophyll. How it will produce the food? With the help of carbon dioxide, sunlight, and water, these leaves prepare food for its own need, as well as the extra food is stored in the form of starch in different parts of the plants. That is why we are eating all the parts of the plants, right? We are eating root of the plant, we are eating stem of the plant, flowers of the plant, fruit of the plant, seed of the plant. That we will discuss in detail. Okay? Food from plants. We are getting different kinds of food from the plants like cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, nuts, etc. Right? So what do you mean by cereals? Cereals means it's a grass cultivated for its edible component of grain. In order to get the grain or the cereal, we are cultivating greater quantity of this cereals, because cereals are the most important food of all type. It is the main source of energy for human being. Okay, the main source of energy giving food for the human being is cereals. Okay, kids? Cereals contains fat, carbohydrate, protein, oil, vitamin and minerals. What are the examples of cereals? Wheat, rice, maize, jowar, barley and oats. Okay, these are all the important cereals we used to consume. Next, we get pulses from plants. What do you mean by pulses? Pulses are the edible seeds which grow in pods. What do you mean by pods? See, this is the pods. So, pulses will be available inside the pods. You have to open the pod and there you can see the seeds. Okay. So, these seeds are called pulses. Okay, always these pulses will be inside the pods. Okay, these pulses are of different shape, size and colors. Example of pulses are green gram dal, black gram dal, chickpeas, chana dal, kidney beans and soybeans. Understood, kids? Pulses are rich source of protein, fiber, vitamin and minerals. Okay, kids? Pulses are the body building food. Okay? Pulses are the body building food. Cereals are the energy giving food and pulses are the body building food. Okay, kids? Next, we will get vegetables from plants. Why we are eating different parts of the plants? Because these plants make their own food and they will store the remaining food in the form of starch in different parts of the plants. That is why we are eating different parts of the plant as a vegetable. So first we will see about root vegetables. What are the root vegetables we are eating? Okay, kids? The root vegetables are turnip, beetroot, carrot, yam, turmeric and ginger. Okay, kids? So today after the class you have to ask your mom to show the different vegetables available at your home. Okay, kids? So what are the examples of root vegetables? Root vegetables are turnip, beetroot, carrot, yam, turmeric and ginger. Next we are going to see about stem vegetables. What do you mean by stem vegetable? That is, we are eating the stem part of the plant. Okay. What are the examples of stem vegetables? Asparagus, kohlrabi, potato. Okay. What are the examples of stem vegetables? Asparagus, kohlrabi and potato. Okay, kids? Next we are going to see about bulb vegetables. Why it is called bulb vegetables? Because it is the shape of a bulb. You see the image of onion and garlic? It is the shape of a bulb. So it is called as bulb vegetables. Okay. So this will store their nutrients inside the bulb. Understood, kids? So what are the examples of bulb vegetables? Onion and garlic. Next one is leafy vegetables. Leafy vegetable itself there is a meaning, that is we are eating the leaf part of the plant. Okay. Can you give some example of leaves? Yes. What are the leaves you know and you take in your food every day? Yes. You'll take mint leaves, coriander leaves and other greens, drumstick leaves, beetroot leaves, right? That is called beet greens. Then onion leaves, that is spring onion, right? And some of the other examples are spinach, cabbage, and lettuce. So these are all the examples for leafy vegetables. What are the leafy vegetables? Spinach, cabbage, and lettuce. Okay, and some of the other green leaves which you consume every day. Also an example for leafy vegetables. Next we are going to see about flower vegetables. Okay, flower vegetables. The vegetable itself will give you a flower shape. Okay, broccoli, cauliflower, and artichokes. What are the examples for flower vegetables? Broccoli, cauliflower, and artichokes. Okay. Next we are going to see about fruit vegetables. Whether the fruits are consumed as vegetables? Yes. Some of the fruits are considered as vegetable by the virtue of their use. So some fruits we will use it as vegetables. That is why this is called fruit vegetables. Okay. What are the examples of fruit vegetables? It is squash, peppers, cucumber, eggplant, okra, and tomato. Right? How many of you know that these are all fruit vegetables? Till now, you thought that these are all only vegetables. But today you came to know that these are all the fruit vegetables. Right, kids? So what are the different vegetables we learned today? Root vegetables, stem vegetables, leafy vegetables, flower vegetables, and fruit vegetables. Next we are going to see about fruits. What do you mean by fruits? Fruits are the seed-bearing structure. You take any one fruit as an example, definitely there will be a seed inside the fruit. So fruits are seed-bearing structure, and this has low sodium, low calories, and low fat. Okay, and this has more essential nutrients like potassium, some vitamins, and minerals. Okay, the fruits are juicy and pulpy, and it is nutritious. Every fruit have different taste. Okay, kids, fruits are seed bearing structure which has low sodium, fat, and calories. Okay, and it is more nutritious for our body, and it has essential nutrients such as potassium, vitamins, and minerals. Okay, fruits are more juicy and pulpy. Okay, each fruit have different taste. Okay, kids, now let's see the examples of different fruits. Okay, apple, orange, mango, papaya, guava, banana, grapes, cherries, and plums. These are all the common fruits. Okay, and there are many more fruits available. Only few examples I am giving for you. Okay, kids. Next, we are getting nuts from the plants. What do you mean by nuts? Nuts are the fruits with hard covering. What are the examples of nuts? Groundnut, cashew nut, pista, almond, walnut. Okay, can you repeat after me, kids? What do you mean by nuts? Nuts are the fruits with hard covering. What are the examples of nuts? Groundnut, cashew nut, pistachios, almond, and walnut. Okay, and there are many more other nuts also. This is the groundnut, which has a hard outer covering. When you open the cover, you can see the nut inside. And one more example, pista. See, there is a hard covering outside. When you open the hard cover, you can find the nut inside. Nuts are the rich source of fat, protein, fiber, vitamin and minerals. We get beverages and sugar from plants. Okay, beverages and sugar from plants. What do you mean by beverages? Beverages means any liquid other than water is called beverages. Okay, example, coffee, tea, okay, and other drinks. Everything comes under beverages. So what do you mean by beverage? Any liquid other than water is called beverages. Examples of beverages are tea, coffee and cocoa, then milk. Next, sugar. From where we are getting this sugar? Every day you are drinking coffee or tea and there you are using sugar, right? From where we are getting this sugar? Yeah, we are getting this sugar also from the plant. From which plant we are getting this sugar? We are getting this sugar from sugar cane. Okay, from sugar cane plant we are getting this sugar. Next, we are getting spices from the plants. Okay, what do you mean by spices? Spices is a root, seed, fruit or leaves or any other substance which we derived from the plants. Why we are adding spices into our food? We are adding spices into our food to make our food tasty because the spices act as a flavoring or coloring agent for our food. Okay kids, what are the example of spices? Turmeric, dry ginger, red chilli, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, black pepper, cinnamon, cardamom, star anise, mustard seeds. There are many more spices. Okay, so you have to ask your mother to show some of the spices available in your kitchen today. Okay kids. Next one is we are getting cooking oil from the plants. Okay, we are getting cooking oil from the plants. Okay, so what are the cooking oils we are getting from different seeds? Okay, so let us see that. From sunflower seeds we are getting sunflower oil. Okay, and from the olives we are getting olive oil, and from the coconut we are getting coconut oil, and from the groundnut we are getting groundnut oil, and from the mustard seeds we are getting mustard oil. In this class we have learned what do you mean by plants, what do plants need to grow, what are the facts about plants, what are the different parts of the plant, and which are all the food items we are getting from the plants. Which are all the food items we are getting kids? Cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, nuts, spices and cooking oil. So these many items we are getting from the plants. So plants are more useful for us. Okay, we have to save plants and trees. Okay kids, if you have any doubt, you go back and watch my video again and understand the lesson. Okay kids, if you like my videos, subscribe to enhance your learning. Thank you.